Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on your XIAOMI 11 Lite. We start off opening Google Chrome application. In it, tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose settings. Now we must tap on our Google Password Manager and there we have password which our smartphone remember to our Facebook account maybe or Google. To manage it, click on it. But we need to have our lock screen to manage it. We can set it fast. And after we set it, we must enter it to get connected to these passwords. In it, we can copy our username and password using this first icon, or after we press this icon, our smartphone shows us password which remember. You can also share this password to someone using this app and send to someone, or edit something by edit and write something new in our note, passwords or something like that. But remember, when you change something, press save. The last thing which we can do with this password is delete it by delete and confirm by delete again. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.